Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily highlight body parts in CapCut for your fitness videos. So highlighting body parts using CapCut with masking and also effects is the key to create a professional and engaging content. So if you want to draw your audience eye to a specific muscle group, form detail, or transformation area in your fitness video, you can just watch my steps in here. Now, first you can just add your videos into the CapCut PC and go to where you want to highlight the body parts. So let's say I'm going to highlight in here. Now what you need to do is just click on this button and click on freeze and just copy this freeze frame. So I'm going to just go with I think 1.3 seconds. So just copy this freeze frame and paste it on top. Now to highlight, you can just follow my steps in here. So click on the freeze frame at the top and go to the masking. Click on mask, add mask. Now choose which part that you want to highlight. I'm going to go use the pen brush in here. Let's zoom it in first. So for example, I'm going to highlight this parts right here. Let's zoom it again. Okay, let's start from here. Okay, like this, for example. Let's activate the clip again. Now click on the freezer. You can always adjust it more, just like this. And now, after you're done with the masking, you can go to the adjust options at the top, still on the freeze frame. Go to the curves, scroll down until you see the green and also the blue color. Now drag this down to the bottom just like that will for the green and also blue color. So it will become red like this. And now you can go to the basic on the adjust, find the saturation and increase it to 50. Now to make it more natural, you can go back to the masking. So go to the video and here on mask, add some feather. I think I'm going to just go with 55. And let's see how it will look like now. Okay, so as you guys can see, this part will be highlighted just like this. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.